Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have for you an MT-07 Y-AMT finished in the matte black. This is actually our own bike and has covered just over 150 miles. So again, really good condition all round, as you would expect. Let's have a little look. We'll come to the Y-AMT bit in a minute. So looking across the front, all in good order. Front mud guard. Tyres are as new. Going around the wheels. Again, no marks, dinks or anything untoward on there. All as you would expect. Ends of the handlebars and mirrors all good. Bodywork A1. Come down, that lovely CP2 engine. Great fun to ride if you haven't ridden one of these already. Just the tiniest of little marks, which I'm pretty sure we'll get out on that one there. Coming up here, again. All round. Here this side, little MT-07 there, coming up. And back down to the front, again, no marks or anything of any concern. End of the handlebars and mirror on that side. Coming over the top, seats lovely. A couple of tiny little marks. I don't even know if they'll show up, just on the plastic bit there, just where your jacket goes. Coming up on here, so the new latest generation switch gear, including cruise control, because this is the Y-AMT, and obviously there's no clutch lever, but you can change gear with this one. And minus with that button there, so you've got a plus and minus to change gear, or you can have the bike do it in the full auto mode. I'm more than happy to talk to you about that if you haven't come across the Y-AMT system. It's really good, very intuitive to use, and it allows you to have full control of the bike or just let the bike do all the work, so it's entirely up to you. But happy to go through with that if you want to give us a call. So you can see there on the display 163 miles in total, and let's just start it up. Walking around the bike, very popular paint finish, the matte black. There we have it. Latest generation MT-07 Y-AMT, registered January 21. Give us a call or drop us an email, and be happy to give you further information. Thanks for watching.